Today, I want to shift gears just a little. We're not diving into boardrooms or algorithms, we're stepping into the classroom and into something a bit more personal. Because when it comes to generative AI in education, we're not just shaping what students learn, we're shaping how they define themselves in a world run by data and code. Hi, I'm Chuck Gallagher, AI and ethics speaker and author, and in this episode, I'm inviting you to reflect with me on something deeper than innovation: how we preserve autonomy and humanity in the age of intelligent machines. Okay, here's the truth. AI in education is unlocking incredible opportunities. Customized learning, accessible content, instant tutoring, but with every advance, we face an ethical tension. Are we empowering students to think critically? Or are we outsourcing that thinking to machines? In my latest blog post, I share a personal reflection about the conversation that really stuck with me about creativity, originality, and whether our next generation is becoming too reliant on technology to do their thinking for them. Now, let me be clear. I am not anti-AI. I am, however, pro-human. Education should be where students learn to wrestle with ideas, not just prompt a chatbot. It should be a place for ethical exploration, not automation without accountability. So here's the challenge. I propose this to educators, parents, and yes, even tech developers. Can we use generative AI to support education while still protecting the autonomy of the learner? This is a conversation we all need to be a part of, and I hope you'll join me. The full blog post dives much deeper, and I'd love for you to read it. The link is in the description below. And hey, if this resonates with you, or if you've got questions or experiences from your own classroom or learning journey, drop a comment below. I personally reply to everyone. Oh, and hey, don't forget to subscribe to more videos that explore the intersection of AI, ethics, and human potential. Until next time, stay ethical, stay human, and keep learning with purpose.